And we wanted to bring Duck Derby back with the Youthfest so that we could have an event for our kids. Ideally, to have Duck Derby, you would have some type of creek or river or something where you can dump the ducks and they actually move in the body of water. Since we did the event at Carlos Garza Sports Complex, we didn't have that. Texas City Fire Department came out and they put water in the pool for us so we could float the ducks. And then we had 3 kids actually get in the water and they moved around and they picked the ducks. So it was really like what they call a duck pluck. We brought in between $35,000 and $40,000 this year back, and so to teacher grants, that's our main reason that we do what we do. Last year we gave out over $200,000 in teacher grants, so everything that we do more and more is to increase that number every year.